If your Etsy listings are getting overlooked, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that today. We are talking about product videos like these that stop to scroll and get you more sales. And the best part, you don't need samples, a camera, or any design experience. And what's really great about this is that once you know how to create these mock-ups and product videos, you can actually use them on social media or anywhere else that you promote your business. So this is genuinely a skill worth learning, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process all inside Kittl. Now, if you don't have a Kittl account and you want to try them out, comment Kittl below and I will send you the link. It is going to blow your mind. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own prompts, how to use Kittl to create beautiful mockups, and how to use their pre-made templates. So please stay till the end. And at any given moment, if you get stuck or have a question, please drop it in the comments below. I am always happy to help. Okay, so let's get into it. Step number one is to open any AI tool. I'm using ChatGPT right now. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus sign. I'm going to add a photo and I'm going to add my mockup. Now you will do the same whether it's a physical product or digital. Now from here, you're going to write a prompt. And what I'm doing is I'm asking ChatGPT to create 5 different images prompts for me so I could go to Kittl and create these beautiful mockups. And the reason why I use ChatGPT is because I'm not good at creating or drafting my very own prompts. So I do need a little bit of help. Now, the more information you give it of what type of image you're looking at, the better. Now, the reason why I'm teaching you how to do this is a really good skill set to have. And once you know how to do this, your photos will always look different from everyone else out there. Now, Kittl does have some pre-made templates, which I'm going to show you how to use those as well. But I think this is a really good skill because it's going to create images that are very unique and different. And it's not going to be the same pre-made templates or prompts that everyone else is using. So this is why I'm showing you this additional step. So this is what I wrote as a prompt. If you want a copy of this, comment prompt below. If you're still confused and you need my help creating your prompt, let me know what you sell below. Leave a link to your product and I will create one for you. So this is what I wrote. Please use the photo for reference that I just added. So this is the photo here. This is a mug that I currently sell on Etsy and I need help creating 5 images for my Etsy listing. I need to create 5 prompts. I will be using them with another AI tool to create my images. I want the images to be cohesive to one another. I want the mug to be shown in different angles, composition, lifestyle usage as well. And I want them to be in a beautiful kitchen with a marble top. And I want natural light and I want the vibe to be luxurious since I only want to attract premium buyers. I was very, very specific with what I want. You want to do the same. If you're trying to create 10 images, then say I need, 10 prompts. If you want to create just 5 like I did, you could just do 5, but just be super specific. If your vibe is more minimalist, make sure to say that. If your vibe is more like boho, make sure to put that in there, right? So once you have your prompt, you're going to go ahead and press enter. It's going to analyze the image and then it's going to go ahead and see what you wrote and it's going to go ahead and start creating the actual prompts. This part right here is going to take you maybe a minute to do, and it's worth doing it. For the sake that you're creating images that no one else is using. And I think it's worth it. So here we go. We have 5 cohesive high-end prompts that you could plug in into any AI tool. So the first one is the hero shot, which is like the attention grabber picture. It says photorealistic luxury kitchen scene with a polished white marble countertop, soft natural morning light streaming through large windows, minimal and airy aesthetic, a glossy ceramic fox mug, orange and white smiling face, ears at rim, center and facing forward, clean composition, subtle shadows, high-end product photography style, neutral color palette, shallow depth of field, and even has additional things for it to know how to take the photo. And then it says ultra realistic. It sounds pretty good. And then it did a hero shot, which is your main shot. It did an angle close up, so detail and texture. It did a lifestyle coffee moment. So that's pretty good as well. It has a style scene, so premium branding shot. And then it has multiple mug displays, so value and variety. I absolutely love this. Now, it also created a video prompt for me. This is something that I highly recommend you doing. If it doesn't create it for you automatically, what I would do is I would say something like, I'm also want to create a video listing of this mug. Can you create one maybe with like, you know, the coffee steaming out of it? And then you write that there and it'll give you the prompt. So here's the prompt. It says photorealistic cinematic video of a Fox ceramic mug sitting on a white marble kitchen countertop filled with hot coffee with visible soft steam rising slowly, natural morning light pouring in from a window. It's perfect. I mean, it goes with what we're doing. Gentle shadows, warm and cozy luxury atmosphere. This is all great. Once you have your prompts, go ahead and copy all of this. And now we're going to go ahead and head to Kittl and actually create these beautiful mockups as well as the video. Step number 2, we're going to open a new project inside Kittl. So click on new project. It's going to open a new window where it's going to ask you what size you're working with. I'm doing 1080 by 1080. That's the size I normally use for my Etsy listings. And then from here, I'm going to go to the bottom. This is where you will enter your prompt. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on remix and you want to add your image. Now, if you go to the menu bar to the left-hand side, if you click on this little upload, this is where you will upload your image. Mine is in here already, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my prompt. So here's my prompt. I'm going to add it in here. And make sure that down here you have one image. If this is like 4 images or 3, it's going to create multiple images and it's going to go through your credits. So I'm going to do one image and I'm going to click on generate. It's going to open this little purple window here. Give it a few seconds and it's going to go ahead and generate that beautiful mockup. All right, so it created the mockup. Look at how realistic this looks. And it's beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. Now what you would do is you're going to continue doing this and you're going to add your second prompt. And this is going to help you create as many photos as you need. So if you want to do all 10 photos on Etsy, or if you want to do all 20, you could do so as well. But this is going to blow your mind away. Look at how realistic. So then what I would do is I would go ahead. So this one is already done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click again down here. I'm going to remix. I'm going to select my photo. So we have our photo up here. So let me go ahead and find it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my second prompt and I'm going to click on generate. Let's do it one more time to see the second prompt. All right, so here is the second image, which is pretty remarkable, as you could see. So you will continue doing this process until you have all 5 photos or whatever amount of pictures that you want to generate. Once you have all of them, you're going to pick the one that you personally like. Let's say that I prefer this one. And then from there, you're going to click on generate video. And this is where you will create your product video. Now, what you want to do is the main image, you want to select which one you want. So let's say I want this one as the image that turns into an actual video. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select my prompt for the video and I'm going to post it in here and I'm going to click on generate. Again, we're going to wait a few seconds here while it generates that image. As you can see, is right here. All right, and it created the video. Let's go ahead and play it. Oh my God, look at how cool that is. It's exactly what I wanted, which was the steam of the coffee to come out of it. It's very realistic. It took the same image and did that for me. So this is how you generate these beautiful images. Once you're done with them, then what you would do is just click right on top of it. It has quick export. Just click there. And then you want to download it as an MP4 and it will go ahead and download to your device. You want to make sure you do the same for the images. Click on the image, click on download, download it as a PNG or whatever file you need it on, and then just export, and then this will save. And then you can use these images and video to go ahead and list it on your Etsy listing. But look at how amazing this looks. So I went ahead and completed the additional photos because I wanted to show you how realistic these look. So we have the primary shot, which is this one. As you can see, it looks really, really good. We have the video. It looks great. It's zooming in. We have the actual smoke coming out of the coffee, which is great. We have another photo here, which shows like a hand. We have this additional photo here. And then we have this one with additional mugs. And it shows like the back of it and from a different angle. It looks pretty incredible. And the great part about this, again, this is a good skill to learn because once you learn how to create prompts, your photos are going to look so different to everyone else. And you could create beautiful images like this that will stop the scroll and will get you more clicks. So I want to show you something that makes this even easier. Kittl actually has pre-made templates already built out for you, as you can see them on the screen right now. And all you have to do is remove the product photo that they have in the template and replace it with your own product photo. Then just regenerate and it creates the mockup using your product. And the prompt is already written out for you, so you don't even have to think about it. And the best part is that you could use this for any product in your niche, whether you sell mugs, t-shirts, journal, candles, digital products, it does not matter. This works across the board, which is pretty remarkable. So let me show you how it works. So let's say that I want to use this template here. I'm going to click here. It's going to open a new window and it's going to give me two options. It's going to let me work with a final mockup that I have. So for instance, it's going to say here, already have your product in the scene, start here. So if you already have your final image, which we created, you're going to put it here and it's going to go ahead and recreate these videos for you. Now, if you don't have a final mockup and you just have a random picture that you took of your product or of your digital products, you're going to put it here. And then it's going to regenerate the scene for you. And then from there, it's going to create the videos for you. So I'm going to use this one as the example. So I'm going to delete this. You will do the same for the other one. And I'm going to go ahead and upload my generated images, right? I'm going to use the final one. Let's say I want to use this one here. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Make sure I size it. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. It says describe what you want. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to do anything here because you already have, this already has the prompt. So you don't have to do anything. So we have the main image and then I'm going to click on this one here. And essentially what I'm telling it is that I want this image to do what this video is doing, right? It has the prompt there already. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on regenerate and it's going to go ahead and start doing that. And then you do the same for this one, regenerate, and then you do the same for this one, regenerate, and now you're going to have 3 videos that you could use for this particular product. So let's give it a few seconds here. All right, so here they are, and let's go ahead and press play here just to kind of see them. So pretty cool how it's doing those 3 videos. I mean, it looks really realistic. We have this one here. It's from a different zoom. So this one is like crane up. This is like a zoom in. And this is an orbit drawn out, which is pretty cool. Look at how amazing this is. So now you have 3 product videos that you could use, whether that's for social media, for your Etsy listings, and pretty much anywhere that you promote your products. So that is how you create product videos to stop the scroll. No samples, no camera, no complicated software, just Kittl and a good prompt. If you want to try it out for yourself, comment Kittl below and I will personally send you the link. I promise it's going to change the way you create content for your business. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.